morning, YouTube world. Last weekend we went to CMI here in Sacramento. We took both this car, my son's LS Turbo, and the right-hand drive K20. We had some issues on this car. The clutch was slipping, so he couldn't launch the car or power shift it. So basically what I told him was go around the water box, don't launch it, no burnout, and then shift smoothly. Don't try to power shift it. His best time was 14.3 at 113. It should have a lot more in it. Like I said, if you watch the clips, he's babying the car all the way through, and he's not even taking it past 7,000 RPM. Other than that, the car ran great. Yeah, let me pop the hood. Yeah, so other than that, the car ran great. Doesn't overheat anymore. We figure out why the other engine was overheating. Here's a picture of it. Yeah, so it looks like when it probably sat way too long, on the shelf or on the ground here. Either that or the previous owner just didn't do the coolant, didn't use the right coolant. The coolant passages was all sludged up with crystallized coolant, so it actually clogged up the radiator. I had to get a new DNA radiator for it. I didn't want to risk it. I was able to flush out the old one, so I'm just gonna save that one. This is the engine out of the EF that we had a rod knock, so I threw new bearings on it. New bearings, and new head gasket since I pulled the head off. New rings. I did gap the rings looser. I believe I can't remember where I gapped it though. I do have it written down somewhere. That 14.3 at 101. That's on 8 pounds of boost. Like I said, the car had more in it. It's just the clutch is slipping. So in the next couple of days, stay tuned. We're gonna be doing a clutch change, changing the clutch on this car. I know I had the engine out and I was being cheap, I guess. I should have just put new clutch disc. But yeah, can't cry about it now. So here's some clips on it, and then when we get back, we'll talk about the right-hand drive. All right.
dial in the right and will be first.
All right, right hand drive stuff. So the best thing this did was a 14.3. It's got a K20 Type S, RSX Type S swap on it. It's all stock. Even the ECU, it's a stock Type S ECU. We do need to get that taken care of because it is OBD2 ECU and it's throwing a check engine light for O2, secondary O2 sensor. And I think when it does that, it doesn't go in limp mode, but it cuts power down. If you notice on the clip, right around fourth gear, it kind of like doesn't want to accelerate anymore. I don't know if that's related to the check engine light coming on, or maybe that's all it has. But anyways, stay tuned. We're gonna try to get K-Pro for this, and then see if we can get the times better. But as of now, it is winter time now, so I think that's the last main event. Or the fun week, the fun Wednesday night drag this is the last day. Actually, it's the last day, I believe. So yeah, stay tuned. See what will come up next.